This video I will tell you that how to change your Instagram account password. So maybe you just gave your password to someone and now you want to change your Instagram account password. Then how you can do this? So first of all, make sure that you are into your Instagram profile. Then you have to tap on three lines onto the top right, and then you will tap on settings here. And then here you can see under supervision a security tab, so you will tap on the security, and at the top you will see password option. You will tap on password, and here you can now actually change your password, but you have to enter your current password. Like you have to enter here your old password, and then you will enter your new password here. Okay, so that's how to change the password on Instagram account. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.